Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make soup ramen at home. Begin by selecting a base broth, either store-bought or homemade, then build layers of flavor. Toast spices briefly, add aromatics, and simmer gently so umami develops without boiling away aromas. Cook noodles separately to avoid starchy broth, then combine and top with soft boiled eggs, scallions, crisp vegetables, and a drizzle of sesame oil for balance. Start your broth by toasting aromatics like onion, ginger, and garlic to deepen flavor, then add your chosen stock and simmer low and slow. If using bones, simmer gently for collagen extraction, or use kombu and bonito for a lighter dashi. Taste as you go, adjusting soy, miso, or salt in small increments. Finish with a splash of acid or a little sweetness to round the flavor. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for lasting comfort while you stand at the stove. They stay snug even when you're stirring a big pot of broth, and they make a small kitchen luxury feel fun. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Pick noodles that suit your soup style and cook them just until tender, then rinse and set aside to prevent overcooking in hot broth. Assemble toppings like soft boiled eggs, braised pork, fresh greens, and toasted nori so each element adds contrast. Layer bowls by pouring hot broth over noodles, arranging toppings thoughtfully, and finishing with sesame oil or chili oil to lift the overall aroma and mouthfeel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.